Today's subject is connection, and it came from when we were having conversations with some of our clients who were reluctant salespeople, and they asked us about connection. How do we connect with our clients? Generally in meetings. So we'll just talk about meetings either on Zoom or face to face. And I suppose what we did first with them was just to say, well, connection is how you link with people. What have you got in common? So I suppose the next question we then say is, how do you show that?
Well, I suppose the best way of doing it is be in the moment. And how do you do that? That's all about eye contact, active listening, smiling. As we've all recognise, it doesn't matter what language you speak. We all recognise smiling. Yeah. So, and we talk about smiling authentically through the eyes, not just that false smile, half a smile. I think it's also very important when you are connecting with somebody that, as I say, be curious. Find out a little bit about them, things that actually matter to them. Family are very important for a lot of people. Maybe it's a sport that's of interest. Find about their business. These are all really good bits of information that you can use over time to kind of get to know somebody and really start to connect and find those common interests that you can develop and get, build that trust and get to understand whether, particularly in selling and in a business environment, where the commonalities are and where you can add value.
Because the key to it is you want these people to want to have to meet you again and to enjoy your company, and you also want to enjoy their company. So the best way of doing that is to find points of common interest. So connection is absolutely vital.
Yeah, and I suppose it's one of the best ways from your own point of view, if you can kind of be relaxed. Because obviously when you think about it, as you get with you're in a family environment or with your friends, you're probably more relaxed than when you kind of think about it in a business environment. Obviously over time, as you get to know somebody, you will kind of relax into that relationship. And that's kind of where we're all working towards in a business environment.
So these are the kind of little handy tips and mentoring things that we can offer, and as I say, we're delighted to pass these on for either via these videos, but if you think it's something you might like to talk to us about in person or over Zoom, why don't you give us an email or give us a call?